Situated in the heart of northern Mindanao, Bukidnon State University in Malaybalay City is one of the country's premier educational institutions. It has produced and nurtured generations of leaders and professionals. I am Rod Bolivar, and this is BukSU TV. Bukidnon is one of the provinces in the country with rich biodiversity. The province is abundant in indigenous, endemic, endangered, and rare species of flora. As an academic institution, BukSU is committed to initiate programs and projects to help restore and preserve our environmental heritage. It has two new courses, the BS Biology and BS Environmental Science, to make it happen, and establish the University Botanical Garden and Herbarium.
The University Botanical Gardens and Herbarium has relatively young history, if not the youngest among the university units as of date. It is a brainchild of our university president sometime in June of 2020, and he immediately called me on to put his vision into reality. Along with many other hands at BukSU, we went hands-on, so to speak, to build the University Botanical Gardens and Herbarium. The purpose of this unit is to act as an outer laboratory for scientific, cultural, and academic purposes. It facilitates the conservation of indigenous, endemic, endangered, and rare species of flora. It also provides living plant materials for instruction, training, and scientific studies, and initiates studies on the tropical ecosystems and their biota. So far, it has accomplished to build 4 of our 10 proposed gardens, which are indigenous garden, flower garden, rose garden, and herbal garden. Of course, we want this to be state-of-the-art too. We look forward to more improvements in terms of infrastructure and facilities in the future. Interestingly, and I have mentioned this before, the University Botanical Gardens and Herbarium was created during the pandemic as an initiative of our university president, Dr. Oscar B. Cabanilles. I think that this has given us a heightened consciousness about nature, not only as a university community, but also as an individual lovers of nature. We have a long list of targeted goals, but please allow me to heighten a few major ones. 3 to 5 years from now, we hope to have achieved a renowned status as Center for Indigenous Plants in Bukidnon. We hope the 10 gardens, namely Indigenous Garden, Flower Garden, Rose Garden, Herbal Garden, Orchid Garden, Fern and Fern Ally Gardens, Bryophytes and Lichens Garden, Water Garden, Bromeliad Garden, and Succulent and Cactus Garden will be fully operational. We also hope to host the first National Plant Diversity and Conservation Scientific Conference. We hope to publish the pictorial cyclopedia of the BukSU Botanical Gardens Ornamental Plants, first edition, and be a member in the International Herbarium Index Herbarium in New York Botanical Garden.
BukSU believes that as an academic institution of higher learning, it has the responsibility to preserve the natural resources of the province. With the establishment of the University Botanical Gardens and Herbariums, the goals are simple: to make these flora species available for the appreciation of the next generations and to make our ecological diversity known to the world. I am Rod Bolivar, and this is BukSU TV.